Hello and welcome to my channel. We will show how to assemble the chair, thin assemble, and all relevant stuff. How to remove the legs from the chair and many other things. So this is brand new. I bought it from a local shop here in Larnaca. Is when you place this stuff, is actually one of the most easy things. Perhaps you want to place some oil, but I don't think so. You will need anything.
Just place them in.
The next thing is to open the hydraulic lift. So you can see how to remove this. It's very, very easy. If you lift it up and pull back, and it will be removed like this. And to place it back, you just do the opposite. So make sure you press down, place this like this, and after press down, put it and slide inside. So like this, you put it back. By slide this inside and make sure you press this down. So this will be placed here. Once you place this here, it will never come off, because it will be high pressure, so it will be impossible to come off. So the only way to remove this is to remove by this clip. That's the only way. The next step is to put the seat holder on the hydraulic lift. And put this. To be honest, I choose this color is dark brown, but to me it's like black. It's not so obvious that it's dark brown. The black version was not available, so therefore it was the only chair that I enjoyed most in the shop there. I purchased this for almost near 100 euros. And in my opinion, it's the best chair you can buy with 100 euros. I wouldn't recommend buy anything more expensive, and after, you don't find it very comfortable and you lose all your money. So another important thing is get one of these things. Now I will show you how to put this thread on these screwdrivers in order to make this better. So basically you start from the base, you go a bit up, in the same time you rotate the screw, and after you go down and you pull and you have something like that.
So let's do this again. You start from the base of the screw, you rotate by its self, you go up, and after you go down. And you do this all for the screwdrivers, so
I would call them screwdrivers, but screws. So in the end, you're ending up with all the screws to be covered. So make sure to note here the label says left, the other one is right. So make sure you put this correctly. Next, we proceed with the back support. So we place it like this, and after we screw the screws accordingly. So make sure you screw well, but not very tight. If you screw very, very tight, you might break the threads. And also today, I invite my cousin to test the chair when I build it. And after, the chair should look like this. And after, you can place it on top of it. And now we put the base on. And after, when you fix the base, you can put the screws here for decoration if you want. And after your chair is ready, and after your chair is ready, it should look like this. And I'm gonna ask my friend here to help me test the chair. So. So it should look like this, you will bend behind. You want to take a seat on the chair, but be gentle, it's very fragile. Apala. Seat. It's nice?
Yes.
Okay. Right, that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you have any comments about how to build your own chair from the box. Bye-bye.